Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, putting down another video for you. You know what time it is. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day will be for tomorrow, which will be February 6th, 2020. So pay attention. But before I get into that, don't forget to help me out by clicking those buttons for me. That's right. Smash those algos. YouTube loves it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification anytime I put up some new content, new video, or go live. I know I haven't been going live lately, but I will. You won't be left in the dust. You'll be right there rocking and rolling with me. All right, here we go. You know what time it is. Time for my hot pick of the day, and today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker PTON. That's Peloton. Yes, that's right. They had their earnings after hours today, and Peloton Interactive stock slid below its 29 initial public offering price in the after hours trading on Wednesday. Even though the connected fitness company beat earnings and revenue expectations in its fiscal second quarter, Peloton's second quarter net loss of 20 cents per share beat consensus estimates calling for a loss of 34 cents per share. So they beat it by losing less. That makes sense to you guys. Revenue of $466.3 million, top estimates calling for $423.7 million. The company reached 712,005 connected fitness subscribers, up 96% year over year, and ahead of estimates calling for 688,000. Average net monthly churn, which is a measure of people leaving the service, was down to 0.74%, better than estimates calling for 1.02%. The company also raised its full fiscal 2020 outlook and now expects to end the year with 920,000 to 930,000 connected fitness subscribers and a full revenue between 1.53 billion and 1.55 billion. But for the third quarter, it expects revenue between 470 and 480 million, falling short of consensus expectations of the 494 million. That's right. So they beat earnings, but the company, strangely enough, has a very high short interest. The bears are piling in on this one, and if we take a look at this table I got on highshortinterest.com, you can see Peloton is number 3 with a short interest of 79.72%, which could make it susceptible to a short squeeze if this thing does wind up pushing down and popping up after. The only 2 stocks with a higher short interest is GameStop, the ticker GME, or Health Insurance Innovations, which is HIIQ, with 105% and 92% short interest respectively. So definitely Pton is taking a hit today, but as always, we got to go to the charts and see exactly what is going on today with my hot pick of the day, the ticker PTON. That's Peloton. Now, if we check out the chart today, Peloton popped up here to about 35 bucks, dropped all the way to this 27.93. So we'll get the Fibonacci retracement on that. And as you can see, it is below the 50% right here at 31.15 and kind of based at this 28.95 level. So we will be looking for a hold of that. Anything below this 31.15, we will remain bear on the stock tomorrow. So we'll track the action in the after hours and pre-market tomorrow and see if it can break this 31.15. As you can see, these daily moving averages that I plotted, you can check out my video for how to do that. The 9 EMA is at 32.25. The 20 EMA is at about 31.43, and this 50 SMA is at 31.06. So a lot of overhead resistance with all these moving averages and the 50% retracement for Peloton to break to get back bullish, in my opinion. Let's just take a look at the daily chart so we can get a bigger, broader perspective on what Peloton has been doing. Now, as you can see, it opened up right here at about 27 bucks. I know the news says 29, but according to my chart, and which I'll go by, it IPO'd right here, opening at about $27 on September 26th. Kind of just fell off, hit this all-time low of 2046 there, just ripped straight up the next month or so, all the way to this 37.08, and then just kind of pushed all the way back down here. So what I did, I fibbed this first leg down, and you can see the retracement came up to this 36.39, which it hit, and then kind of just fell and started slamming down on all these retracements. And right here, you can see it based $27. This was the IPO opening price. So you can see all the people who got in here at the open of the IPO didn't want this to drop below, bought it back up, came down, tested it one more time, and pushed up here. And today it tested that $27 mark as low as 27.30. 30, and they're still trying to hold it above that IPO price. So like I said before, with these intraday fibs, we definitely want to watch for this 31.15 level and all these daily moving averages to get above before we can get bullish on the stock. If not, we could see a drop down to this 27.30 low and possibly test that $27 IPO price here. If it breaks that $27, ooh, the sharks will definitely pile in more and take this as low as it can go, maybe to this 24.22, maybe to this 22.23 level, and maybe even to this 20.46 all-time low. But we just gotta wait and see. But if they do hold that 27 level, they might get a short squeeze because people might start bailing out. If it doesn't break the IPO price of $27, people might think that's the lowest it's gonna go, and those shorts might get squeezed out. And as we know, with these high short interest stocks that are pretty low float, I believe it's 40 million shares or something like that. I'm not sure exact number. You guys can check it out on FinViz or whatever screeners you guys do use. But with a pretty low float stock and a high short interest, that's just asking for a squeeze, which could push this thing up. So definitely be on the lookout for that. All right, don't forget the levels I marked out here for you to check out. They will be in play tomorrow, so definitely write them down. You can rewind, pause this video, and take the levels and have them on your charts for tomorrow. I'm definitely going to make a video real soon. People have been asking me how to plot these Fibonacci levels and how to make them work for you. I'll definitely let you know how I plot them, how I use them in my strategy in the upcoming videos. So definitely stick around for that. But for now, that is my technical analysis on my hot pick of the day, the ticker PTON. That is Peloton. There you go. There you have it. Real quick, real easy today. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker PTON. That's Peloton. Yep. Don't forget, it takes a lot to put these videos together. So don't forget to help me out by clicking those 3 buttons for me. Yep. YouTube loves it and I'll love it for you. Definitely number 1, like the video, and click number 2, subscribe to the channel, and click number 3, hit the bell notification. We're looking for 1,000 subscribers within 6 months, and I'm hoping we can hit it, and with your help we definitely can. So if you find value in my content, I don't ask for no money, but I have a donation if you want to donate. But all I ask is spread the word. If you like the videos, tell a friend, and have a friend tell a friend, and we can definitely hit those goals like that. It's all good. All right, time for me to head up on out the door. My time here is done. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing on out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.